Mastering your space, the art of organizing closets. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful topic, organizing closets. This is something that can help you not just tidy up your space but also bring a sense of order and calm to your daily life. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the phrase, organizing closets, and how to apply it in real life. Let's get started. Organizing closets refers to the act of arranging and sorting items in your closet in a systematic way. This involves more than just tidying up. It's about creating a functional space where everything has its place. Closets can be for clothes, shoes, or even general storage, but the key goal is to make the area neat, accessible, and efficient. We'll explore why this is important and how it can positively impact your life. One of the first things to understand is why organizing your closets is beneficial. A well-organized closet can save you time, reduce stress, and even make your living space more appealing. Here are some key benefits. Saves time. Find what you need quickly without rummaging. Reduces stress. A tidy space leads to a clearer mind. Maximizes space. Proper organization can reveal hidden storage areas. Personal satisfaction. There's a deep sense of achievement in maintaining an organized space. Now, let's get into the how. Organizing a closet might seem daunting, but with these steps, you'll find it manageable and even enjoyable. 1. Empty and clean. Start with a blank canvas by emptying your closet and giving it a good clean. 2. Sort items. Decide what to keep, donate, or throw away. This is crucial for decluttering. 3. Categorize. Group items together, e.g., clothes, shoes, accessories, to make them easier to find. 4. Use organizers. Invest in shelves, boxes, and hangers to maximize space and maintain order. 5. Maintain. Finally, keep up with your organization by regularly checking and tidying your closet. Here are some extra tips to make the process smoother and more effective. Label everything. Use labels to remember where everything goes. Seasonal swap. Rotate clothes seasonally to keep your closet relevant and less crowded. One in, one out. When you buy something new, consider removing something old to avoid clutter. Congratulations! You've just taken a big step towards mastering the art of organizing closets. Remember, organizing is not just about making your space look good, it's about enhancing your quality of life. We hope this video has been helpful and inspires you to tackle your closets with confidence. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.